Welcome to Exam Sale. In this short guide I will walk you through the reading syllabus for the California Basic Educational Skills Test, also known as the CBEST reading section. Overview first. The reading exam is divided into two domains with clear weights and expectations. Comprehension and research carries 60% of the content and is rated easy with about 12 hours of estimated learning time, while critical analysis and evaluation makes up the remaining 40%, is medium in difficulty, and has about 10 hours of estimated learning time. Both domains use conceptual and scenario-based assessments, and together they form a focused 22-hour study plan that tests practical reading skills and analytical judgment. Domain 1 is comprehension and research, weighted at 60% and focused on identifying main ideas, literal comprehension, and using research or reference materials. You will learn to identify explicitly stated main ideas, pick out supporting details and specific facts, and summarize the primary intent or information of a text. You will practice drawing valid inferences, determining the sequence of events, finding the meaning of words from context, and making comparisons between ideas or texts. You will also build practical reference skills by using a table of contents, index, and glossary, locating specific information in organized documents, interpreting tables and charts, analyzing information in graphs and maps, and evaluating the relevance and organization of different research sources. Domain 2 is critical analysis and evaluation, weighted at 40% and focused on evaluating logic, tone, and intent, and distinguishing fact from opinion. You will learn to tell statements of fact from opinion, identify the author's point of view and primary purpose, and analyze the tone and style used in a passage. You will practice recognizing underlying assumptions, evaluating the validity and strength of evidence provided, and spotting bias or stereotypical language that affects meaning. You will also learn to judge the intended audience of a text and to weigh how evidence and tone work together to support or weaken an argument. To conclude, follow a study plan that spends about 12 hours on comprehension and research and about 10 hours on critical analysis and evaluation, with focused practice on both literal skills and analytical judgment. With targeted practice on the topics we covered, you will gain the reading clarity and critical skills needed to perform confidently on the CBEST reading section.